Here we have for sale Tiger M. She's a 50-foot, 2-inch traditional stern narrowboat, and she was built in 1990 by Graham Edgson, Norton Canes. Propulsion is by a Canaline 38 horsepower diesel engine. She's with us here at North Kilworth Marina, so you can pop and view her or give us a call to arrange a viewing. We'll go and take a look on board. She has had some recent modifications, which you'll see when we step into the saloon. So stepping in from the forward well deck into the saloon, she's a traditional layout boat with the saloon at the fore and the bedroom at the aft. Fit out is in oak. Flooring is engineered oak boarding. Modern galley, oak block worktops, gas cooking, set of side doors with a hatch over, and moving towards the aft into a recently refurbed shower room, laminate linings. Hot water is heated by the engine, boiler and immersion. Feature wash basin and pump out WC. Into the aft bedroom. Fixed double berth, 6'2" by 4'. And a double wardrobe. Central heating by Webasto diesel boiler. And at the aft is your engine room. There's currently no inverter installed, but it shouldn't be too problematic to have one fitted. There's a Victron 30 amp charger and 4 cabin batteries, 120 amp hours each. So we'll just walk back through to the front of the boat. Should you wish to install a stove, there is a hearth in the saloon, and also the roof collar is in place. All the details can be found on our website www.abnb.co.uk.